Introduction. The text is from the play The Garbage King. It is about a group of poor boys living near a rubbish heap. Million is the leader of the gang. A new boy named Memo arrives with his dog, Max. Million asks questions about Memo and explains the gang's rules. The rules include no stealing, no fighting, and sharing everything. Million allows Memo and Max to stay with the gang for 1 week. The scene shows friendship, survival, discipline, and the hard life of street children. Summary. The extract is taken from the play The Garbage King written by Oladipo Agbolu Ajay and dramatized by Elizabeth Laird. The scene takes place at a large rubbish heap where homeless children live and search through garbage to find valuable things. These children are poor and survive by collecting rubbish and begging. At the beginning of the scene, a boy named Karate looks sick and weak because he is coughing badly. Million, who is the leader of the group, notices this and tells Karate to rest for a while. This shows that Million cares about the members of his gang even though he is strict. Another boy named Getachew arrives with a new boy called Memo and his dog Max. Getachew introduces Memo to Million. Million immediately tells Getachew to continue working, showing that he is in charge and expects everyone to obey him. Memo introduces his small dog Max. The dog runs toward the rubbish heap and starts playing near Buffalo. Buffalo does not like the dog at first and shoos her away. Max growls and snaps at Buffalo's feet, showing she is brave despite being small. Karate, however, likes Max and calls her over. Max happily runs to him and they play together. This shows that Karate is kind and friendly toward animals. Million then asks Memo about his past and learns that he was kidnapped. However, Million quickly changes the topic because he is more interested in whether Memo is honest and trustworthy. Million asks if Memo is a thief. Memo strongly denies it. Getachew also explains that another boy named Paul stole chewing gum from a shop, not Memo. Buffalo jokes about another person named Falake, showing that stealing may have happened before among street children. Million then clearly explains the rules of the gang. He says that if anyone steals, the gang will beat him and throw him out. This shows that the gang has strict moral rules even though they are poor. Million also says that Max is too small to guard their blankets when the boys leave the rubbish heap. The blankets are important because they are probably the gang's few belongings and could easily be stolen. Karate says he likes Max, so Million agrees that the dog can stay and be trained. Max barks happily, showing excitement. Finally, Million tells Memo that he can stay with the gang for 1 week. After that, they will decide whether he can become a permanent member. Million explains all the rules carefully: no stealing, no fighting, sharing everything, giving all money to Million, and obeying all instructions. Memo listens carefully because he wants safety and acceptance. The scene gives readers a clear picture of the difficult lives of homeless children. Even though the boys are poor and live near rubbish, they still try to follow rules and help one another survive. The play also shows leadership, friendship, trust, discipline, and survival in harsh conditions. Answers of all questions. Comprehension A. Question 1. How can you tell Million is the gang leader? Answer. Million gives orders, makes rules, and everyone obeys him. Question 2. What do Buffalo and Karate think of the dog, Max? Answer. Buffalo dislikes Max at first, but Karate likes her. Question 3. What is likely to disappear when the gang are not at the rubbish heap? Answer. Their blankets are likely to disappear. Question 4. How do you know that Million cares about Karate? Answer. Million tells Karate to rest because he looks sick. Comprehension B. Question 1. Why does the writer use short sentences throughout the scene? What effect does this have? Answer. The short sentences make the conversation fast, realistic, and dramatic. Question 2. What sentence in the play script shows the gang has high moral standards? Answer. If you join us and you steal, we will beat you and then we'll kick you out. Question 3. What punctuation shows us that Million is not interested in Memo's past? Answer. The dash shows Million interrupts Memo and changes the topic. Comprehension C. Question 1. What picture do you have about the setting of the scene in the extract? Answer. The setting seems dirty, poor, crowded, and full of rubbish heaps. Question 2. How do you think Memo felt when Millian explained the rules for staying in the gang? Answer. Memo probably felt nervous but also hopeful and relieved. Grammar, vocabulary exercises solved. Question. What does sift through rubbish mean? Answer. It means searching carefully through garbage. Question. What does shoos her way mean? Answer. It means chasing the dog away. Question. What does growls mean? Answer. It means making a low angry sound like a dog. Question. What does snaps at his feet mean? Answer. It means trying to bite quickly near his feet. Question. What does guard mean? Answer. It means protect something. Question. What does obey mean? Answer. It means follow rules or orders. Important MCQs with answers. What is the title of the play? A. Trash. B. The Garbage King. C. Street Boys. D. The Rubbish Heap. Answer. B. The Garbage King. Who wrote The Garbage King? A. Andy Mulligan. B. Naomi Shihab Nye. C. Oladipo Agbolu Ajayi. D. Charles Dickens. Answer. C. Oladipo Agbolu Ajayi. Who dramatized the play? A. Elizabeth Laird. B. Naomi Nye. C. Raphael. D. Millian. Answer. A. Elizabeth Laird. Where is the scene set? A school. B. A market. C. A rubbish heap. D. A farm. Answer. C. A rubbish heap. What do the children look for in the rubbish? A. Toys only. B. Valuable things. C. Food only. D. Books only. Answer. B. Valuable things. Which character looks ill? A. Millian. B. Buffalo. C. Karate. D. Memo. Answer. C. Karate. What does Millian tell Karate to do? A. Run away. B. Take a break. C. Fight. D. Sleep. Answer. B. Take a break. Who enters with Memo? A. Buffalo. B. Karate. C. Getachew. D. Paul. Answer. C. Getachew. What is the name of Memo's dog? A. Lucy. B. Bella. C. Max. D. Rex. Answer. C. Max. What does Buffalo do to Max? A. Feeds her. B. Shoos her away. C. Carries her. D. Washes her. Answer. B. Shoos her away. How does Max react to Buffalo? A. Sleeps. B. Runs away. C. Growls and snaps. D. Cries. Answer. C. Growls and snaps. Who likes Max? A. Buffalo. B. Millian. C. Karate. D. Paul. Answer. C. Karate. What happened to Memo before joining the gang? A. He got lost. B. He was kidnapped. C. He became rich. D. He went to school. Answer. B. He was kidnapped. What does Millian ask Memo? A. Are you hungry? B. Are you a thief? C. Are you tired? D. Are you sick? Answer. B. Are you a thief? Who stole the chewing gum according to Getachew? A. Memo. B. Buffalo. C. Paul. D. Karate. Answer. C. Paul. What will happen if someone steals from the gang? A. They will get money. B. They will become leader. C. They will be beaten and kicked out. D. Nothing. Answer. C. They will be beaten and kicked out. Why does Millian think Max is too small? A. To fight. B. To guard blankets. C. To work. D. To run. Answer. B. To guard blankets. What does Millian allow Karate to do with Max? A. Sell her. B. Train her. C. Ignore her. D. Beat her. Answer. B. Train her. How long can Memo stay at first? A. 1 day. B. 1 month. C. 1 week. D. 1 year. Answer. C. 1 week. What must gang members do with money they earn? A. Hide it. B. Spend it. C. Give it to Millian. D. Throw it away. Answer. C. Give it to Millian. Which rule is part of the gang S system? A. No sleeping. B. No stealing. C. No eating. D. No talking. Answer B. No stealing. Which other rule does Million mention? A. No running. B. No laughing. C. No fighting. D. No cleaning. Answer C. No fighting. What does the scene mainly show? A. Rich children's lives. B. Street children surviving together. C. School life. D. Family holidays. Answer B. Street children surviving together. What kind of leader is Million? A. Careless. B. Strict but caring. C. Funny only. D. Weak. Answer B. Strict but caring. Why are the blankets important? A. They are expensive. B. They protect the boys while sleeping. C. They are colorful. D. They are gifts. Answer B. They protect the boys while sleeping. What feeling does Memo probably have at the end? A. Excitement only. B. Fear only. C. Hope and nervousness. D. Anger. Answer C. Hope and nervousness. What effect do short sentences create? A. Slow action. B. Fast and dramatic action. C. Confusion. D. Boredom. Answer B. Fast and dramatic action. What does obey mean? A. Refuse. B. Follow orders. C. Forget rules. D. Fight. Answer B. Follow orders. What does the dog Max symbolize? A. Danger. B. Friendship and loyalty. C. Richness. D. Power. Answer B. Friendship and loyalty. What is the main message of the play extract? A. Rules and teamwork help survival. B. Rich people are lucky. C. Dogs are dangerous. D. Fighting is important. Answer A. Rules and teamwork help survival.